Hi guys, looking back, your host today is Deej, and with me is Benny. Hey Benny.
Hi.
So today we're gonna be racing some slick cars. Yeah, I guess we'll put the words on the screen for what they are, cause I can't remember.
Yeah.
Jeff.
Yeah, that's Jeff. I remember that.
That's all I remember.
That's the racetrack
yeah.
for today.
And oh wow, look at that professional starting line.
Yeah.
And you go down a straight stretch.
Into a hard right.
Oh, look at that cool professional painter's tape turn.
Yep.
Cuff. And then the final stretch back to the finish line.
Oh,
Hopefully they
yeah.
don't get run over. So we're gonna race them in pairs. It's gonna be Porsche and Porschana versus Jeff and Phyllis. So yeah.
Yep.
First we're gonna race the two Porsches, or is it Porsche?
I don't know.
I don't know. I guess you'll have to comment below. Nope. Here we go, boys. Ready, set, go!
Wow, that was good.
Oh wow, look at that first turn.
Oh,
yeah,
Porschana.
Where is it? Oh, look at that!
Oh,
Porsche,
Porsche.
spins out and
Oh.
crashes into a wall.
Porschana went in with the win.
Easy W for Porschana. I mean, just look at that. He got way too loose there. Oh, W. Wow, look at that slick paint job. Isn't that amazing? Got that one at the dollar store. Yep, unfortunately for Porsche, he is now out of the playoffs. Next it's
Jeff
and Phyllis. Oh yeah, two Hondas. We got like the short Honda versus the long Honda. Let's see which one wins.
Here we go.
Oh, the short
Phyllis
one
in the lead.
taking the lead. With Jeff right behind him going around the tough turns.
Oh,
Jeff breaks
Jeff.
this. Jeff goes for the pass. Jeff in the lead for the finish line. Oh,
yeah.
my goodness. Look at that pass. That was a slick drift right there. Wow. So it looks like Jeff is going to take the victory for that one. Wow. Poor Phyllis. Phyllis tried but lost the lead then. So now it's Porsche versus... No wait. Porschana versus Jeff. I need to get it right. Jeff. Am I allowed to be biased? Because I'm kind of rooting for Jeff here.
Yeah, I am too.
Well, here goes. It's gonna be four.
Oh, Jeff in the lead.
Oh, look at that first turn.
Jeff.
Oh man.
Oh,
And he spins out.
Jeff
Oh, what a
is in the
save.
lead.
Oh, no. What? Where did he come from?
I don't know.
I think Porschana just won.
Oh,
I just
wow.
got very distracted.
Yeah.
Well,
Wow.
that was insane.
That was close.
I honestly think the real winner of that one was the porta-pot truck guy.
Yeah.
He was cooking.
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, so thanks for tuning in, guys. That was a lot of fun. Comment below if we should do another one. Also, Jeff. Look at that first turn. Yeah, I guess I put the words on the screen for what they are, 'cause I can't remember. Jeff. Here we go, boys. I honestly think the real winner was the porta-pot truck guy.